Hi guys, today I'm fidget trading with my friends.
Okay, I'll offer first for this really expensive cute avocado.
Okay, I'll give you this mini puppet.
Add.
This stress ball.
Add.
This other mini puppet.
Sure, accept.
Okay. So I will trade this amazing apple puppet. This spinning dimple digit. That's a rainbow snapper.
Okay, that's a pretty good trade. I'll offer you this super duper hard to get purple puppet. With this limited edition weird froggy thing. Cloud slide.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh God.
Ruin the paper.
Okay.
Okay, here, I'll trade you this I'll trade you this really good pink blue color shading stretch ball that Scarlett traded me earlier. Okay,
Even
I'll
though I
add this
didn't-
really good pop ball that Cammy wanted before.
Add.
Really? What are you trading?
You don't know yet.
Okay, I'll trade this. Okay, I'll trade this. Now what will you trade me?
Okay, I'll trade this too. This is a different.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'll trade you. Accept. Oh, and by the way, I got you one of those for your birthday.
Oh, yay! Just go.
You made something wrong. Okay, well, thank you.
We'll be back.
Hi, guys. Hi. We're back. So,
I'm
what
back.
would you trade for this guy? His name is Rainby.
Buddy.
Ew.
I will trade this Orbeez.
Oh my God, you have to add like a lot or maybe a little. I don't know. So.
I'll just trade you this really good mini puppet. But then you have to add.
Okay, then I'll add this blue. But it's blue.
I
Marble.
can see that.
Yeah, marble and mesh. Accept. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Okay.
Okay, now this is our second trade again. We're going to stop popping that.
It's yummy. No, it's plum-y. What?
Okay, I'll trade you this amazing space dimple.
Okay, I'll trade you this amazing space dimple. Accept.
And also, hers has a different background.
Mine has a different background.
Stop farting.
Why are you doing that?
Just kidding. It's a weird thing.
Oh! Wowza! Okay, we're done here for this trade. Come back for more.
Okay, guys, we are back to the studio.
What? It's my room.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna offer this really super duper good teddy bear. It's amazing. Fine. I'll add this mustache puppet.
What do you want? But
You trade me.
excuse me. Okay, I have this amazing. Are you zooming in on my face? This really good cupcake. This really good
Black and white, old-fashioned cupcake.
Oh yeah.
old-fashioned black and white.
In white too, you
Oh
guys.
yeah, old-fashioned really good cupcake. And Avery farted again.
No, I didn't. It's that thing. It sounds like really bad.
I'll accept.
Okay, accept. Oh my God, that was it. I gotta give you a mustache for your mustache. That makes no
I'm gonna shave my mustache.
Hey guys, so we're gonna do another trade, but Cammy hit her booty talk, so she's gonna be okay. Alright, let's go.
Okay, I trade that booty talk. Guys, it's a scam. I traded you. I'll trade you
The pizza?
the pizza.
You would never trade me that.
I know.
You guys, do you know why she's trading me that? Because she would never trade me that. Okay, well, so anyway, I would offer this banana because it's not too good. I mean, it's so good. It's so good.
Okay, I'll accept. Here we go. Ha! I scammed you.
You scammed me?
What is Scarlett doing? Wait, guys. Oh my God! I'm I'm a dead possum.
Well, either way, I'm gonna offer this. Walking Cammy's dead possum pose.
Okay,
what would you trade?
I will. Don't steal my fidgets again.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, she's stealing my fidgets. Girl, let go of it. Okay, she's attached to that. Scarlett. Okay, I will do this puppet.
That's good puppet.
You guys, it's like one of our best puppets. Is that good?
No way. Add.
Oh, fine. I'll add this. It's not good. I'll add this mini puppet, I guess.
Okay. Add.
Fine. I'll add the last one. Is this, I guess.
You guys, that's such a good puppet.
And all of these are so good.
Except.
This is. Okay, guys, we are.
Oh wow, Cammy's really back.
I am back. Yeah. Okay, I will trade you this amazing little demo. Okay.
Okay, well, I'll trade this really, really, really cute mini puppet thing with the
Dimple!
With the dimple. Oh my!
Avery
Don't
has
mind
a-
my tie-dyed socks.
Don't mind her hole in her
Wait,
pants.
since when was there a hole? Oh my god! Okay, continue.
Her mom does not have to know.
This
Except.
Accept.
It's metal.
Roll that. That hurts.
My toe.
We are back! More fidget trading. Alright, what would you trade me for this color changing needle? It's really good. Okay, it goes to purple.
I'll trade you this triple dimple.
And
Oh, fine. I'll give you this rubber sample dimple with this little burger on it.
okay, I'll accept.
Except.
Yay! Hi guys, we are back with more fidget trading. Let's do this.
We are back. Okay. So we are back with Miss Cammy.
And
me. And Scarlett. So we are gonna be doing. So I'm gonna be putting down this amazing. I love this. You cannot trade it. Again, Scarlett. You cannot trade this amazing puppet. Listen to it.
Is that the bad side?
That's the bad side.
oh my gosh. Sorry, we have color on our hands. We tie-dye.
Alright, tie-dye.
Now,
friend's birthday.
I would give you. I also really love this. So, it's this hard shell pineapple puppet. There's not a bad side.
It's like this one.
Yeah. Ready? So, what would you say?
I'll accept.
I'll accept too.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. Okay, more. Let's go, llama puppet.
Let's go, magical puppet.
Yes.
Yes.
More fidget trading. All right, you offer something. This
Game control. It's literally so
Okay.
good.
French fry.
Oh, that hit my finger.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
All right, French fries.
Accept.
Wow. More fidget trading.
And we are back.
Okay, what would you give me for this pastel textured burger?
I will give you this pastel textured unicorn.
I'll accept.
Except yummy burger. And it also matches with my pastel french fry.
Yay.
Okay, guys.
Trading.
Last fidget trade.
Last one.
Oh my god. We might make some more shorts or something, so go check those out. So yeah. So I will give you this amazing, ready, listen to it, amazing square Avenger puppet. And this is the bad side. This is the good side.
Oh my god.
It's so good. Oh my god. Okay, you
Okay.
put something down.
I'll give you this hand puppet, and it's pink.
You gotta add.
Okay, what about this duck puppet?
Sure, I guess, because I'm in that nice mood today.
Accept.
Yay! Okay, guys. Bye, guys.